Captain Courage is the mascot for the 2015 World Police and Fire Games here in Fairfax, Virginia. In the spring of 2014, we decided we were going to do an eagle mascot to match our logo, and we did a social media poll. We had the costume and all of that designed, and then we put it out there, let everybody tell us what they thought the name should be. We picked the top 4 responses. Captain Courage was one of them, and we officially announced the name of the mascot during our year-out celebration, the sports extravaganza at Reston Town Center. So for the last couple of games, there have been a mascot. It's a great way to interact with people. It was great for us as we were doing the lead up to the games. A great way to engage people, draw them in, to find out what the games are about, how they can get involved. So just really great promotional tool for us. So Mason started off as an intern in our office on our marketing and communications team, and he fits the mascot costume, so that's a huge reason why. But also he just has a great personality. When he's in the mascot costume, he has so much fun with it. He has a great time playing with the kids, so it just really worked out as like a good fit for us.
I decided to become Captain Courage because it seemed like a really fun, charismatic position to have, and it kind of fit my personality, and it was a different take on what I've already been doing, so I was really excited for it. Best part of being Captain Courage is seeing how much fun other people have coming and chilling with me. A lot of people think that the kids would have more fun, but honestly I get more adults saying like, hey, Captain Courage, like high five, what's up, you know, and it's a really fun time, and it's really fun to see everyone else enjoy themselves. I've never been part of anything this big, and this is larger than the Olympics. And right out of college, this is more than I could have asked for. Great opportunity, great people to work with, and helping out all these local and national heroes.